How to make compost. Ingredients needed: carbon, nitrogen, moisture, air. Materials needed: compost bin, brown ingredients carbon-rich, green ingredients nitrogen-rich, water. For compost bin, it can be a stationary or rotating. This is an example of a stationary compost bin. This is another example of a stationary compost bin. These are the examples of brown materials carbon-rich: shredded newspaper or paper, wood chips, dry leaves, hay and straw, rice stalks, twigs, tree branches, sawdust, tea bags, corn stalks. These are an example of dried leaves from a tree. These are green nitrogen-rich materials: food scraps, grass cuttings and weeds, coffee grounds and filters, pasta, rice and bread, dried and crushed eggshells, dry fiber, such as torn-up egg crates, and empty toilet rolls, nutshells, chicken manure. These are examples of food scraps. These are grass clippings. Steps to make a compost. Number 1. Combine green and brown materials. Use 1/3 green and 2/3 brown materials. The bulkiness of the brown materials allows oxygen to penetrate and nourish the organisms that reside there. Number 2 step. Water the pile. Sprinkle water over the pile regularly so it has the consistency of a damp sponge. Water provides moisture to help break down the organic matter. Number 3 step. Turn periodically to provide oxygen and combine the decaying materials. Compost should be ready in 2 to 5 weeks. The material should turn dark and rich in color. What not to compost: meat, fish and dairy because it creates odor problems and they tend to attract pests like rodents and flies. Pet waste example: dog or cat feces because it might contain parasites. Charcoal ash because it might contain substances harmful to plants. Fats, grease, lard or oils because it creates odor problems and attract pests such as rodents and flies. Remember, too much nitrogen makes for a dense, smelly, slowly decomposing anaerobic mass. If in doubt, add more carbon. Benefits of composting: enriches soil, helping retain moisture and suppress plant diseases and pests. Reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich nutrient-filled material. Hope you learned from my video. Please subscribe and share to support my channel. Thank you.